Okay, page 25 now is the method, the application of second order ODE. So the first application that we discuss here is the mechanical vibration. The problem is like this. If we have an object with mass m, okay, it is attached to a spring with K here is the spring constant. B here, this is in some problem, this refer to the dashboard. Okay, it has the B here referring to the damping coefficient. There is capital F here is the external force. Okay, so actually if I refer to this equation, here should be small f. Okay, so this problem actually can be written as the second order ODE, my double prime plus by prime plus ky equal to f. Okay, so f here is the external force. Why do this term appear here? Is actually comes from the Newton's second law of motion, F equal to ma actually. Okay, so F equal to ma. The term my double prime here actually this one. Okay, a is the acceleration. So y here represent didn't mention below here. Y actually represent the displacement. Okay, so let's say the original position of this object here. So if there is a force applied, the object here vibrate. Okay, it's vibrate, so it will move horizontally. Okay, there and there. Okay, so when it has a movement, it has the velocity. Y here is the its position. Okay, represent its position. So velocity is y prime. Okay, and a acceleration is y double prime. So from this Newton's second law of motion, we have my double prime. That's why it appear here. And capital F here is actually total force. Okay, total force for the problem. So in this case, capital F consists of the external force Ft that is given to the problem. We have by prime here is actually force due to this dashboard. Okay, so there is certain assumption for the dashboard force. Ky here representing the the force due to the spring. Okay, so the total force here actually it comes from the Hooke's law. For the spring, it has the restorative force. It is there is assumption for it. Assume that the restorative force is proportional to the distance. Okay, so that's why there appear the term ky. Okay, y is the distance. And then for the dashboard, okay, for this equation actually this comes from the assumption that the force that comes from this dashboard is proportional to its velocity. Okay, so that's why there appear velocity term here, y prime.